Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The ambience here is giving. Hi guys, this is your girl Res Bakita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If I'm new, kindly subscribe. Actually, it's a new channel. Kindly please subscribe. Support a girl. A girl is just trying to earn a living. A girl is just trying to be famous. A girl is just trying to be a celeb. Kindly support. Today I'm gonna show you a house tour of an amazing home that you love. I don't know if it's a bungalow or a mansion or a what, but yo, it's so amazing. Come with me. Let's go. Here we go. So we're gonna do a house tour of this amazing structure over here. Look at that parking area. My goodness. You can park a J-Wagon, Land Cruiser, Range Rover. Name it. Name it. Damn it. This is so cute. Look at the compound around this building. It's giving peace. The ambience is just amazing. The neighbors are just amazing. Guys, let's go. Let's go and see what is inside this beautiful house. So this is the front side of this house. Look at this. Look at that. Angalia sasa. This is what Melissa, I'm bringing to you, Melissa. Actually, this is the SQ, servants quarter. This is where your house manager can like rest. It's a beautiful place. So we didn't have the access of that room, so we're not gonna go down in details about that. So this is it. We're now inside the house. Now, cameraman was like, let me check myself out in the mirror. Sweaty anapenda view. Anyway, checking out the view, my jeez. Way, Evangalia too. Where this place is beautiful. Actually, we're gonna start with the kitchen area. Look at that. Look at that. Mungu sasa kama hii. Sasa kama hii, God. This is what I've been asking you, God, for. Actually, there's power in manifestation. And I'm gonna keep on manifesting, working hard, and eventually, God is gonna bless me with such. Hey, angalia tu hiyo jikoni mtu wangu. Take it this one. Angalia tu hiyo jikoni. It's so beautiful, for real. For real, this is beautiful. Actually, gonna start with the downstairs. Actually, tunaanza hapa chini. Then you're gonna go upstairs. Badai. So this is it. Downstairs, I guess there's some few rooms downstairs. Most of the rooms is juu upstairs. Okay, and this is the sitting area. Actually, you can place this to be downstairs sitting area. The view is amazing when you draw the curtains. Oh God, come here, Sasa. This is it, God. You're not gonna go upstairs first. Let me show you the downstairs. Then tutaenda huko juu. This is it, guys. So actually, downstairs tunaanza. And I don't know which room is this because it was locked, but maybe it's one of the bedrooms. Ama, I don't know. So we're gonna start with one of the bedrooms downstairs, and this is how it looks like. Come, let's go. Like the way Akokoval is usually tell the cameraman, come. But that girl is amazing though. She's doing amazing content. Yeah, this is it. Unaweza place your bed wherever you wanna place it. The view is amazing. You can draw your curtain and their room is filled with so much light. Beautiful view in the morning. Anytime. Come and see wache kai. Come and see wache kai. For real. This is crazy. Guys, I'm falling in love. Actually, I'm falling in love with this house. Actually, here, I think one of the doors is broken, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it, my J's. This doesn't have to turn you down like, this house is amazing. Check it out, the view. One thing about me, I'll not stop talking about the view because I love it. Yeah, it's amazing. And if something is amazing, you have to say it. So the view is just amazing. Okay, this is one of the rooms. These are actually the bathrooms and the washrooms. Check it out, check it, guys. This is beautiful. Singing in the shower. dancing in the mirror. Hey, I know, right? Then the wardrobes where you can place mm, your, mm, your stuffs. Actually, here actually is the where we started. Yeah, this is where we started. Um, so hapo tumesema that is the kitchen area, and it's beautiful. I have to show you again and again and again and again because this place is mwah, top notch. Beautiful. This is cute. This is cute. My man, you should see this one. You should see this one. This is what I want for real. For real, for real. It's beautiful. So, guys, come with me. Come. Let's go upstairs. Let's see what is in store for us upstairs. You can't wait to see. I'm very sure there's the master bedroom upstairs, other rooms, and I don't know. Maybe let's be surprised together. What's it? We're surprised on what they have for us upstairs. Goodness gracious, damn it. God. Hey, ushaingizile house nye, when you go upstairs, there's the left side and the right side. This is it, guys. Nimewafikisha huko leo. Yo. Guys, actually this side is where you're gonna find the kids' rooms. Most of the kids' rooms ziko on this side. Come and see. Come and see, guys, what the kids' rooms look like. Okay, these are the wardrobes. Okay, the washrooms and the bathrooms. There you go. Beautiful, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, this is cute, my jeez. Every person dreams to have such a lovely home. My cameraman is always on the mirror. This dude. But anyway, it's his thing though. Yeah, this is it. This is one of the rooms, as I was saying. The view again. I know you're gonna get tired of me telling you about the view, but anything about the view with me, it's just top. Because you can put your cameras and record your stuff with a beautiful view. This is beautiful. This is another room. Okay, actually, the bathroom and the washrooms again, but they're cool. They're beautiful. Yeah, they're super, super dope. Awesome. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come with me, baby. Come with me. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Actually, this is the other side of the okay. I said the upstairs we have the right and the left, so this is the other side. And what you get here is actually another beautiful view of our space. Actually, here you can put wherever you want to put here, be it a study area, be it I don't know, your store, I don't know, I just don't know. But anything, even a bed, have a bed. Yeah, this is beautiful, guys. Amazing. This is good. So you're gonna go on the side where we have the master bedroom. Guys, this whole house, the master bedroom, like amazed me. Yo, this is too much. This is so much, my guys. This is beautiful. Guys, so actually there is the study area. In the master bedroom, mind you, in the same master bedroom, you can put another sitting area in the master bedroom at this space. Check it the view. Check it the view, guys. If not this house, which else? Gani ingine inaweza compare na hii? Gani ingine for real? Nimesema in the master bedroom we have the sitting area. Then kuna hii corridor here. The view again is so amazing. Then we go to the master bedroom. Check it out, the wardrobes and the cabinets. I don't know if it's the wardrobes, many shelves, I don't know. You can just place your stuff there. And it's looking amazing, guys. This is beautiful. This is amazing. Sasa here is what This is what I was talking about. The washrooms in the master bedroom. Mm-mm. On another level, my J's. Check it out, the washrooms and the bathrooms here. Guys, the jacuzzi, the what? Jacuzzi, or is it the bathtub? Actually, maybe I'm mistaken. Sijui ni nini. You can comment down in the comment section. Kama it's not the jacuzzi. Kindly tell me what that is. The bathrooms. They're amazing. They're looking dope though. Yeah, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, check it the view. The view. And then again, in the master bedroom, we have the balcony where you can just sit and enjoy the view. This place is giving, the ambience is giving. Oh my goodness, the crazy me. Check out the back of this house. The back. I can't wait to go and show you the back of this house. My guys, come, let's go and see the back of this house. Actually, what I love the most again about this house, it's the back of this house. It's amazing. Guys, the garden, the view, everything. Let's go, guys. Let's see how the house looked at the back. But yeah, actually, it's beautiful. But I'm sure it's so big because the garden's back, it's back there and everything. But let's wait and see. Here we are, guys. This is the back of this house. It's so beautiful, magnificent, wonderful. The ambience. One thing about rich people, they love a cool place where the weather is, the ambience is just awesome. And you should get used to that kind of life. Check it the back of this house. This is the whole house at the back. And it's just amazing, like guys. This is great. Where? This is great. Actually, I want to build this house at my hubby's home, Uko Migori. Migori people, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? The kind of character development, the kind of culture shock you guys are gonna experience. You did not sign up for this, my G's. Just wait. Very soon, Migori, I'm coming and I'm landing with this beautiful structure at your area. At your area, mtapumua. Are you gonna breathe, my G's? Mtapumua kweli? I don't think so. The hair will only be at my space, guys. Anyway, I love you guys. Mtapumua, don't worry. Guys, I'm leaving. I'm done with the tour and this is amazing. It was amazing doing this with you guys. If anyone wants to buy this or rent this, kindly DM. Guys, like, subscribe, comment. Actually, support a girl. A girl is just trying to make content and feel beautiful and give you good things. Support, guys. I love you. Thank you for watching. Mwah.